taking the time before my caregiving day begins with my mom. She's still sleeping early this morning, so this is the perfect time to do a tiny tidy. My dad called me this past Sunday and told me he and my stepmom will be arriving earlier than planned. So that means a lot of cleaning and prep this week before they and my family arrive for Thanksgiving. Keep in mind, I have to clean quietly. If I wake up my mom who is sleeping so good right now, I'll have to forfeit this task until later in the day. She's my top #1 priority. So let's do this quickly and quietly. This Tiny Tidy Tuesday is a part of a collaboration of Team Tiny Tidy, hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares the playlist of our regular Team Tiny Tidy, as well as some weekly guests. A lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you are doing a Tiny Tidy this week, let us know in the comments and let us know what you're tidying today. This is such a tough spot to dust and clean as the stairway ceiling is so high. I'll have to ask my husband to help me set up the ladder so I can really clean this light. Ooh, maybe. Perhaps I can get my dad and my husband together to change it out to something more modern next week. Yes. As my dad, he's retired from being an electrical contractor. Some benefits of family staying with you. After this area, I'll tackle the entryway. I cannot vacuum or mop until after Mom wakes up, so there's that. We have been trying to decide what color to paint the interior walls next. I've always been fond of warm and earthy tones, but I'm open for change. I'm planning on deep cleaning the kitchen area and oven, living room, and bathroom. Then clean and prepare the guest rooms, shampoo the high traffic areas in the carpet, and finally get to my windows. And then, after Thanksgiving, do it all over again, getting ready for Christmas. How are you doing this time of year? Sorry, Mom.